Trio. Ça démarre en 3 minutes. Bon, pas d'attente particulière. Ce serait cool qu'on voit enfin Dragon Quest XII. J'imagine qu'il y aura des portages, qu'on va voir peut-être du Elden Ring, peut-être du Dust Bloods, qui est techniquement sur partie. Peut-être du FF Remake. Peut-être l'arrivée de Métaphore Fantasio, peut-être avec une édition améliorée, là, comme ils font souvent. Mais de façon générale, on verra. J'ai vu aussi pour le leak, Cosmos, tout ça. Le seul monde où on voit un truc ici, c'est si c'est genre Project Cross Zone 3, ce qui serait vachement cool. Ou si c'est un remake de Xenosaga. Mais je crois pas trop, pour pas dire pas du tout. Pour moi, ce leak, c'est bien Xomed 4. On sait qu'il y aura Orbitals déjà. Il n'aura pas le temps de finir. Sinon, quoi d'autre? Qu'est-ce qu'on peut bien voir dans ce direct? De toute façon, c'est du third party, donc il n'y aura rien de vraiment passionnant, je pense. Je pense que j'ai déjà listé les trucs qui pourraient m'intéresser le plus. On n'aurait pas l'abri d'une petite surprise. Donc on verra bien. Je passe sur cette scène déjà. Ça va bientôt démarrer. Mais en tout cas, je m'attends pas à un gros truc. Je pense que le plus gros, ce serait genre Dragon Quest 12.
Peggy 18.
Ouais, c'est fort. Orbitals, ok. Ils mettent ça en ouverture. Par contre, le jeu a l'air vraiment cool. Pas trop mon genre en termes de gameplay. Mais le délire, la DA, j'aime beaucoup.
But the threat of another cosmic storm is coming up fast.
Et la musique aussi, elle a l'air bien.
Maki and Omura, two young explorers, must now brave galactic dangers and save all that's left of their home. Teamwork is key in this two-player co-op adventure. You'll need a few tools to survive. The scraphook grabs and moves platforms so you can carve a path forward. The liquid launcher blasts water to activate mechanisms and cool down scorching surfaces. And the beam cannon fires a stream of super hot heat to destroy obstacles, open doors, and more. Use the tools together, and you might discover unexpected solutions to puzzles.
Par contre, ça a l'air un peu fort.
While exploring, you can encounter strange life forms, or opt for a detour and take a little travel break. GameShare is supported, so two players can adventure together
Allez, GameShare.
locally or online with one
Bon,
copy
dans
of
ce
the
genre de
game.
jeu, c'est genre obligatoire, hein, le game share.
Can
Sinon, ça rend le
these
jeu 2
two
fois plus
brave
cher.
explorers save their
Automatiquement.
home? Orbitals launches exclusively on Nintendo Switch 2 this summer.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's Nintendo Direct Partner Showcase. In this presentation, we'll be focusing on games from our publishing and development partners coming to Nintendo Switch 2 and Nintendo Switch. What you just saw was Orbitals, launching exclusively on Nintendo Switch 2 this summer. We hope you're looking forward to this intergalactic co-op puzzle adventure. Okay, let's take a look at some upcoming Nintendo Switch games.
C'est quoi ça? Ace Attorney? Ça en a pas trop l'air.
In the waters of Issei Bay, on an island where legends of mermaids have
D'ailleurs,
been
il peut y
passed
avoir
down,
éventuellement
a tale of
les
mysteries
trucs
and
qui ont été
curses
retardés de level
stirs.
5, genre Decapolis.
The latest Paranormasight mystery adventure is coming to Nintendo Switch.
Je connais pas. Ok.
The
Agatha
story
Christie.
follows Yuza
animé.
Minakuchi, a boy who works as a pearl diver. One day, while gathering on the seafloor, he encounters another version of himself. This phenomenon is just the beginning. Soon, other strange incidents begin to plague the island. A girl with no memories, strangers searching for treasure, and a housewife investigating victims of drowning. Speaking to those involved is a natural part of the investigation, but you'll also need to search deep within the waters of Issei Bay. As each of their motives intertwine, the story connects to the mermaid legend told centuries ago. Paranormasight, The Mermaid's Curse, launches on Nintendo Switch February 19th.
Cette musique a l'air
Pre-orders
cool.
begin later today on Nintendo eShop. Battle for World Glory! A new Captain Tsubasa
Un
game
lit de
is kicking
foot.
its way onto Nintendo Switch. Choose from a roster of over 110 characters.
D'ailleurs, j'ai mis à jour le doc,
representing 22 teams. Score with
Inazuma Eleven
powerful
Victory Road.
shots from the original work, as well as newly added special
Pour la
moves
3.1, j'avais
that
pas
give
mis,
passes,
enfin
blocks,
3.0.1, j'avais pas encore mis à jour
and tackles a boost.
pour la
Go on the
2.0, donc j'ai
offensive
tout mis
against
ensemble.
elite competitors as you aim for victory. Gear up for
Oui, c'est vrai, 15 dans le but.
sensational
What the fuck?
football action when Captain Tsubasa 2 World Fighters launches on Nintendo Switch this year. Next up are games heading to Nintendo Switch 2, including
Ah oui, c'était
some
rapide, la
games
partie
that
Switch
will
1.
also be available on Nintendo Switch. A life or death fight for survival begins. It was a normal day until a cave-in befell the city of Tokyo. As the dust settles, our protagonist, Anne, discovers an underground world deep below the
Dis quelque
metropolis.
chose.
But she's not alone. Creatures called Xeno
Peut-être juste que
populate the
son
unknown expanse.
design est assez générique. C'est les Xeno.
If you're
Les dinosaures.
found by a Xeno, it's game over.
Il veut pas se battre contre eux avec une
Fighting is
Xenoblade.
not an option, so quick thinking and decision making are vital to your survival. Analyze their patterns and find the best route to make your escape. Activate
Genre, il
traps in
pouvait pas
each
passer.
area to lure and ensnare any stalking Xeno. And by using GameShare, up to 4
Ouais.
players can share controls, including
C'est genre le
Anne's
zombie
movement
U de
and camera
la
adjustments.
Switch 2 quoi.
Whether locally or online, coordinating with your friends is key to making it out alive. Survive the subterranean depths in
Jamais de la vie de sauter
Tokyo
ces hauts.
Scramble, launching exclusively on Nintendo Switch 2 February 11th. Pre-orders begin later today on Nintendo eShop. Awaken your Viking spirit. Battle, build, and conquer in this massive survival game. How you go about it is
Voilà, mais
entirely
t'es
up
pas
to
déjà
you.
sur Switch.
You could start by gathering materials around the woods.
Par contre, ça a l'air cool. Hein. Après, je sais que
Fashion
le jeu
a
de base,
bow
il est un peu.
and arrows to hunt wildlife and prepare meals. With an axe, you can chop trees to build a house. Yikes! Don't get hit by falling trees.
Le shake abusé.
Build pillars. Install beams. Construct walls. Make the roof. And even add a fireplace. Now you're safe, even from the cold. Wait, is this ventilated? Don't forget the chimney too. By upgrading your crafting stations, you can make items of higher quality. And once you've built a ship, set sail on the high seas to reach new lands. And create even more strongholds. Plus, up to 10 players online can explore this vast world together. Now, go forth and survive in Valheim, launching on Nintendo Switch 2 this year. Find your way forward in these games. Return to the kingdom of Hallownest and fight back the infection in this upgraded modern classic. Dodge, dash, and slash through this 2D
Okay.
action-adventure platformer, now with enhanced visuals and improved frame rates on Nintendo Switch 2. Equip charms to enhance your abilities and deal magic damage using upgradable spells while exploring the vast interconnected map. Descend into a world of insects and heroes when Hollow Knight Nintendo Switch 2 Edition launches on Nintendo Switch 2 later today. Nintendo Switch 2 players who have Hollow Knight on Nintendo Switch can upgrade to the Nintendo Switch 2 Edition for free with the upgrade pack.
Ok, la mise à jour est gratuite, nice.
eFootball Reborn
Encore le
from
foot, là.
Pro Evolution Soccer is coming to Nintendo Switch 2. Build out your club, sign legendary players, and compete in tournaments around the globe in World Tour mode. Join an exciting competition where national teams face off every 4 years in the International Cup Tournament. Or play with friends locally or online to prove who's at the top of their game. Experience the excitement of football and aim to be the best in the world when eFootball Kickoff launches on Nintendo Switch 2
modélisation,
this
quoi.
summer.
La paralysie du sommeil. Terreur
Travel
nocturne.
through 4 ages in a brand new HD 2D action RPG. Explore the age of safekeeping, the hero Elliot's own time. The age of reconstruction, when humans nearly went extinct. The age of magic, a time when spells flourished. And the age of budding, the birth of human civilization. In each age, the scenery and citizens of Elliot's hometown will change. You can also obtain some weapons and magic unique to certain time periods. A story spanning time will soon begin. The Adventures of Elliot, The Millennium Tales, launches on Nintendo Switch 2, June 18th. Have a blast with Super Bomberman games from the Super NES era.
Il y a vraiment
Play
besoin
the
d'une
first
édition Switch
Super
2.
Bomberman through to the culmination of the series,
Ça ajoute quoi?
Super Bomberman 5, including titles
M'a sauvé à la
previously
limite.
unreleased worldwide. The Famicom versions of Bomberman and Bomberman 2 are also
D'accord.
included. Plus, there's a brand new Boss Rush mode, as well as Game Share support.
Ok, Game Share.
Super Bomberman Collection launches on
Game
Nintendo
Share,
Switch
ça fait
2
sens,
and
c'est bien.
Nintendo Switch later
Mais
today.
bon,
The unknown journey continues. The second entry in the Final Fantasy VII Remake series is coming to Nintendo Switch 2.
alive.
In pursuit of his arch nemesis Sephiroth, Cloud Strife and his comrades escape the city of Midgar and embark on a journey across the vast world. Traverse the planet on chocobos, wheelies, in a buggy,
débile.
or other modes of transportation. Team up with allies in battles, blending action and strategy. If you'd like to focus on the story, there's also a boost function to make combat easier. You'll also find various activities scattered across the world, allowing you to take a break from the action. And as you interact with your allies,
Le
their
plateau.
affinity toward you will grow and impact how the story unfolds. What fate awaits Cloud and his crew in their pursuit of Sephiroth? Final Fantasy VII Rebirth
Je les ferai un jour,
launches
hein,
on
mais
Nintendo
faudra
Switch
déjà que je
2,
fasse FF7
June 3rd. Pre-orders
de base.
begin later today on Nintendo eShop.
Et avant ça, faire 4, 5, 6. Que j'ai plus envie de faire que ça.
Vitals stable. Awakening subject. Hugh Williams.
While investigating a lunar research station, an injury befalls spacefarer Hugh Williams.
Augmentation, je pense que ça peut être cool.
With him is Diana, an android called a Pragmata.
There you are. All better.
Classified as unauthorized intruders, the two are targeted by the station AI, which sends enemy bots after them.
Help! Come on, gun work!
These bots have near impenetrable armor,
I think I can help.
but with Diana's hacking skills, you can break down their defenses.
Initiating hack.
What the heck was that?
By moving the cursor through panels towards the green goal, you can hack the enemy bots.
There's no time to explain. Shoot now.
Once their weak points are exposed, fire away.
I hacked it.
Depending on the nodes you pass through, you can modify the damage and effects of a hack.
Ok, ok.
Each
Donc
split
j'imagine
second
que l'idée c'est de les
decision
spammer
can
giga
change
vite
the outcome of battle.
pour pas que tu te fasses rush toi.
Energy levels.
What truths will the two find in this AI-controlled lunar station?
So it's not one of your bot buddies?
Overdrive protocol. Initiate.
Yeah, baby. We did it! This is how we say, good job.
And what will Diana learn on this journey? Pragmata launches on Nintendo Switch 2, April 24th. A demo will be available later today on Nintendo eShop.
Nice. Je crois qu'il y en avait déjà une sur Steam, non?
We hope you're looking forward to fast-paced combat and exploration with a unique combination of hacking and shooting. Let's continue with more headlines. Journey to the Lost Lands. Become a legendary Turok warrior in this intergalactic action shooter. To stop an alien threat from destroying all human life, you'll journey solo or with a team of warriors online and battle all sorts of primal creatures in ferocious combat. Swap between first-person and third-person perspectives as you unleash weapons, melee attacks, and special abilities to devastate foes. Extract
Ouais,
DNA
pas mon
from
genre.
fallen enemies and the environment to upgrade your arsenal, evolve your mantle, and unlock even more abilities called Echo Syncs to gain a greater edge in combat. As you venture across breathtaking worlds, you'll unravel the mysteries that ultimately hold the key to saving humanity. Turok Origins launches on Nintendo Switch 2 this autumn. Uncover the truth of Xanadu.
Ouais, c'est le Tokyo Xanadu,
In a
Xanadu
Japan
qui est en
where
fait
Kyoto is the
Kyoto
capital,
Xanadu.
another world exists that's encroaching on our own.
Je
A
n'ai pas du tout la
world
série.
where monsters roam free.
Enfin, de nom quoi, mais.
A boy named Ray must use his newly awakened powers against the threat as he joins Hirosaka Academy, a school for gifted students. The Academy's goal? Conquer Xanadu, the great labyrinth rumored to be the origin of this other world. While traversing the labyrinth, hone your abilities
okay.
and reshape the terrain to expand the range of your
J'avais pas du
exploration.
tout à ce genre de gameplay.
Then, take on dangerous enemies in 3D action RPG combat. Use your powers to overcome foes.
Ça, c'est plus ce à quoi je m'attendais déjà.
Outside the labyrinth, improve your stats. And spend time with your friends as you prepare to
Et puis ça,
conquer
forcément.
Xanadu. The battle between man and monster begins. Discover the
Encore
truth.
du dinosaure? Non, ça avait l'air d'être une porte de cheval.
Kyoto Xanadu launches on Nintendo Switch 2 and Nintendo Switch this summer. Check out these anime-style games. It's time to evolve in the latest Digimon story game. One day, a powerful blast causes the world to collapse and sends you 8
Paraît
years
qu'il est
into
bien,
the
hein,
past.
mais
With over 450 Digimon to collect.
Joseph, très fort
Adventure
les
through the
designs
human
des
world
Digimon.
and digital world to save the future. And on Nintendo
pas l'air
Switch
de faire
2,
beaucoup de dégâts,
you
quand
can
même.
select quality mode, playing in 4K at 30 frames per second, or performance mode, playing in full HD at 60 frames per second. Digimon Story
Nice.
Time Stranger launches on Nintendo
Et y a pas un
Switch
mode
2
2K
and
44
Nintendo
FPS,
Switch, July
45.
10th. Pre-orders begin later today on Nintendo eShop.
Ce serait pas mal aussi.
An
40
adventure
FPS.
set high in the sky is soaring in. Form your party from a roster of over 20 characters, each with their own fighting style.
J'aime trop le style des artworks 2D de Grand Blue Fantasy.
Channel the power of teamwork and summon mighty primal beasts to vanquish your enemies. You can also team up in local or online multiplayer. Grand Blue Fantasy Relink Endless Ragnarok launches on Nintendo
Et du coup,
Switch
Endless
2,
Ragnarok, c'est quoi? C'est
July
une
9th.
version améliorée? C'est un DLC qui est complet avec.
The latest Monster Hunter Stories game is flying in. Your monster allies, called Monsties, can learn special abilities through a ceremony called the Rite of Channeling. Raise your Monsties as you travel the world. The lands lie on the brink of disaster. Monsters are on the verge of extinction. And the riders trying to save the world will have to contend with an even greater threat. Monster Hunter Stories 3 Twisted Reflection soars onto Nintendo Switch 2, March 13th. A demo will be available later today on Nintendo eShop. Save data can be transferred to the full game.
Nice.
New titles are joining the archives. Rave Racer, published by Namco in 1995, speeds into the Arcade Archives 2 lineup. Aim for first place in a race against your rivals.
J'aime pas la caméra. J'ai
And
l'impression
get
qu'elle te
ready
fout
for a
rapide dans
new
la
line
gerbe.
of home console titles. Console Archives is on the way. Doraemon. Sonic Wings Special. And more will be released over time. The first wave of Console Archives titles includes Cool Borders and Ninja Gaiden 2: The Dark Sword of Chaos. These titles will be available on Nintendo Switch 2 later today.
Tales of Arise, ils étaient pas déjà sur Switch? Ou alors c'est une upgrade Switch 2. Du coup, après ce panel-là, j'imagine que ça va être dernière annonce, ou peut-être dernière annonce into vraie dernière annonce, One More Thing. Franchement, Dragon Quest 12, ce serait bien. Il serait temps. J'ai pas fait le DLC de Tales of Arise, mais j'ai checké les cutscenes histoire d'avoir l'histoire.
I need your eyes on the crime scene.
When a string of mysterious deaths occurs across
J'ai vraiment pas aimé
America,
le gameplay de Tales of Arise
FBI
d'ailleurs.
analyst
Je m'endormais
Grace
littéralement sur le jeu.
Ashcroft is captured by the suspect while investigating the case. In her attempt to escape, Grace comes up against unknown threats. A limited supply of healing items and ammunition are at her disposal. Will she confront the threats head-on, or save her ammo for the next encounter? For Grace, impending doom is always close at hand. Meanwhile, another agent working for an anti-bioterrorism organization is also on the case, Leon S. Kennedy.
6 survivors of Raccoon City, all dead from the same thing.
With his physical prowess, Leon can parry an opponent's attack, then strike to break the stunned opponent's stance in close quarters combat. He can fire from a distance using handguns and
nul.
rifles,
On va viser là.
or use an enemy's weapon against them. Leon has a varied arsenal of attacks at his disposal. This game features both third-person and first-person camera perspectives, and you can change your perspective at any time. There are multiple
Oui, mais du menu,
difficulty
t'as pas un
options
raccourci.
available, including a
Sauvage.
mode for less experienced players that features aim assist.
Ah oui, c'est
Guide
du
Grace as
gros
she
aim
attempts
assist
to
là.
escape unprecedented terrors, and Leon, who relies on strength to carve his own path. What will they discover when their fates intertwine? Resident Evil Requiem launches on Nintendo Switch 2, February 27th. Pre-orders are available now on Nintendo eShop. Resident Evil 7 Biohazard and Resident Evil Village will also be available the same day. Horror-filled excitement awaits, whether you play these games or Resident Evil Requiem first. Plus, a Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller featuring original art is releasing alongside the games. Amiibo figures of Grace and Leon will also be available this summer. You can scan them to
Ok, ça c'est
receive
étonnant.
in-game weapon
Mais pourquoi pas?
skins. Resident Evil Requiem, the latest entry in the Resident Evil series, is launching later this month. You can also look forward to a creator's voice video featuring a member of the Resident Evil Requiem development team. The video will release in the near future. Next is our last announcement.
Ok, il reste un petit 5 minutes.
Hey everybody, from all of us here at
Oh,
Bethesda Game
est-ce que ça va être
Studios. If you're like
Starfield
us,
et c'est tout?
Nintendo has meant so much to you from your early days of gaming to now.
que ça va
It
être,
was incredible for us to partner
Skyrim
on the
Switch 2
original
édition encore.
Switch, and it was just such a great piece of hardware and also so personal when you play. We're excited to finally bring a number of our franchises for the first time to Nintendo. We hope you all enjoy the journey.
Vault Dwellers, welcome home.
Du
Fallout
coup,
4 Anniversary Edition is emerging on
la
Nintendo
grosse
Switch
annonce de
2.
fin,
Scavenge,
c'est
shoot, build,
plein de portages de vieux jeux
create
Bethesda.
alliances
Ok.
as you reshape the wasteland and
Bon.
what remains of civilization. Every choice matters. Fancy yourself a smooth talker or pining to pump up your power armor? Choose from hundreds of perks that fit your playstyle. Every road leads somewhere new. From the heart of Diamond City to the shadowy corners of forgotten vaults, the Commonwealth is packed with stories waiting to be uncovered. In addition to the base game, experience 6 official expansions and over 150 Creation Club items to expand your adventure. Grab your Pip-Boy and traverse the wasteland in Fallout 4 Anniversary Edition, launching on Nintendo Switch 2, February 24th. Pre-orders begin later today on Nintendo eShop. The year is 1937. Sinister forces are on the hunt for an ancient power,
Ah, c'est vrai que c'était Bethesda,
and
ça.
only one person can stop them.
Watch me.
Embark on a globe-trotting cinematic adventure in Indiana Jones and the Great Circle. Set between the events of Raiders of the Lost Ark and The Last Crusade, Indy will journey around the world to uncover the mystery behind the Great Circle. From the pyramids of Giza to the sunken temples of Sukhothai and beyond, use your wits to infiltrate historic areas and solve fiendish puzzles. Or use your whip to face off against dangerous foes and explore a world full of daring escapes and unforgettable encounters. Adventure calls when Indiana Jones and the Great Circle launches on Nintendo Switch 2, May 12th. Pre-orders begin later today on Nintendo eShop. Explore the vast landscape of Cyrodiil in The Elder Scrolls IV Oblivion Remastered. Experience this renowned open-world RPG, now on a Nintendo console for the first time. Freely customize your character to match your playstyle.
On a vraiment besoin d'une présentation pour chaque jeu. Je pense que tu l'as fouté dans le... à la fin de la section juste avant, là, avant Resident Evil. Où tu mets un petit truc à part et aussi
Master ranged or melee weapons.
un petit arrivage de Bethesda. Bam bam bam, tu les mets à la suite. T'épilogues pas dessus parce que les jeux ont en moyenne 15 ans et ça fait genre 20 fois qu'ils sortent sur une nouvelle plateforme. Tout ça pour une version qui n'aurait pas accès au modding de toute façon.
Step through the gates once more when The Elder Scrolls IV Oblivion Remastered launches on Nintendo Switch 2 this year.
Ouais, hein, 15h30, c'est bien la dernière annonce.
We hope you're excited for these games from Bethesda Softworks. That's all for today's Nintendo Direct Partner Showcase.
Bon,
Thank you for watching.
bah heureusement qu'il y a des rumeurs de Nintendo Direct qui arrivent. Hein. Parce que j'avoue que là, bon, c'était pas leur meilleur. Même pour un partenaire. Un bon 2 sur 5 au max. Il y a quoi eu de... Enfin, oula. Il y a eu quoi exactement de nouveau? Quelques petits jeux indés. Et le reste c'est du rappel ou du ça vient aussi sur Switch. C'est tout. Bon, bah c'était pas fou. Voilà. Du coup on va pas épiloguer hein. Est-ce qu'il y a un truc qui était intéressant au moins?
The latest
Du portage, de l'update, du portage, de l'update.
Other world. While
De
traversing
l'update,
in
de l'update,
Home?
de l'update.
another version of himself.
Je crois que ça c'est nouveau.
This phenomenon is just the beginning.
Ça
Go
aussi
on
je
the
pense, j'en sais
offensive
rien.
against.
Ça a l'air d'être nouveau.
You could inches on Nintendo Switch.
C'est du portage. Hein. Énormément de portage. Et du portage. Ouais, bon. Bah vivement le prochain direct. J'espère qu'il sera tôt plutôt que tard. Genre si c'est semaine prochaine, parfait. Mais ouais, non, je sais pas pourquoi ils ont mis ce direct là avant. Avant en général. Parce que là, bon, j'imagine que c'est en train de gueuler sur les réseaux. Mais bon, peut-être qu'ils avaient besoin contractuellement de le sortir maintenant parce qu'il y avait certaines dates qu'il fallait absolument. Enfin, qui faisaient qu'il fallait absolument être là avant. Mais bon. Est-ce que je vais jouer au moindre jeu là-dedans? Je suis même pas sûr. Peut-être. Probablement FF7 Rebirth dans genre 10 ans. Peut-être Pragmata un jour. Valheim, j'y ai déjà touché. Mais du coup, je sais pas si je vais y retoucher, en tout cas pas sur Switch. Les jeux Bethesda, pareil, pas sur Switch. Il n'y a pas eu de Clair Obscur. Ça, autant j'aime bien leur artwork, j'aime bien le card design, autant le gameplay, je suis pas sûr que ce sera mon truc. Ça, j'aime bien le délire, mais c'est pas mon genre de jeu. Par contre, je suis curieux du budget du jeu. Il y a moyen que ce soit genre 3 balles et un Mars. Bon, j'abuse un peu, mais. Orbital, ça a l'air très cool, mais. Mais pas mon genre de jeu, encore une fois. Resident Evil, pas mon genre non plus. Digimon, pas trop mon truc. Ça, Osef. Bon, ben voilà. C'est un partner showcase. Fallait pas s'attendre à grand chose. Parce que même avec ça, on pouvait être déçu. Donc voilà. Bref, on va se laisser là-dessus. C'est vraiment moyen. Pas de métaphore au Fantasia non plus. En même temps, c'est un poil tôt pour qu'ils sortent leur version complémentaire additionnelle du contenu en plus là. Peut-être en fin d'année ou début d'année prochaine. Il y a bien peu de chance. Ils voulaient garder cette année pour focus un Persona 6. Bref, ciao.